Hi story lovers! Welcome to our channel Angangi Pothawari Kids Lays Story. Today's story is about a man who is known for his witty and humorous nature. Yes, you know him. He is none other than Tenali Raman, a Telugu poet, an advisor, and also known as court jester in the court of King Krishnadeva in Vijayanagar. From all the stories of Tenali Raman, let's pick one for today. That is Tenali Raman and a great Pandit. One day, a great Pandit came in Vijayanagar and claimed, "I can defeat anyone with my knowledge." He barged in front of King Krishnadeva and said, "I have mastered in all the subjects, and also I have defeated many scholars in India. Till today, no one can beat me in the battle of wits." Saying this, he challenged to King Krishnadeva for a battle of wits with his 8 esteemed scholars. The king accepted the challenge and said, "If you can defeat all of my scholars, you will get 5 bags of gold coins. But if you get defeated by one of my scholars, you will be banished from my kingdom." Now the battle has started, and all the scholars were getting defeated one after another, and the Pandit seemed to be very good in every subject. King Krishnadeva started worrying. If this Pandit defeats all my scholars, then my reputation and my court reputation will be very bad in front of any other kingdom. At last, it was Tenali Raman's turn. He took out a book covered in a silk cloth and said with a smile, "Oh great scholar, let us have a debate on any topic which you choose from this great piece of literature, Tilaka Mahishta Bandhanam." Hearing this, the Pandit startled, thinking that I have read thousands of books and in many languages, but I have never heard about this book. He just bowed in front of King Krishnadeva in defeat and told, "Your Majesty, I accept my defeat in front of your great scholar Tenali. Now I will not show my face forever. I will take a leave." King Krishnadeva was joyous and said, "Tenali, you have saved our kingdom's reputation. I am very proud of you." King have rewarded Tenali with 5 bags of gold coins. At the same time, Krishnadeva was very curious about that piece of literature. He asked Tenali, "Raman, which book is that Tilaka Mahishta Bandhanam?" Rama laughed and opened that silk cloth. To everyone's surprise, it was not a book but a piece of twigs that was tied to look like a book. Rama then said, "O great king, Til means mustard and Kasta means stick. So Tilakasta means a stick of mustard plant. This is used to tie oxen, which makes it Mahisha Bandhana." Mahisha means ox and Bandhana means to bind. I just used the Sanskrit names of all those things, and the Pandit got scared thinking that it's an unknown book or literature. Saying so, Rama laughed. The whole court burst out laughing, and King Krishnadeva Raya praised Tenali Raman for his wit and humor. So, our story lovers, hope you like our story. We will keep continuing. Stay tuned.